we ready? Are we ready? Here is 1. It's a center number. Here is 6. Okay? Now 6 has to have levels. If it's a 6, okay, it cannot be drawn on 3 by 3 levels. A 6 has to be drawn on 2 by 2. This is a level for 6. You cannot draw this. You see the level over here? We are going to have a space open over here. It must be the C space. If we do this over here, I will lift it up, bring it all the way down. And how do we connect these two lines? It's not possible unless we do this. Now it becomes G. Now this is only hypothetical stuff. Everybody can do it different. I'm just trying to show you that this is the way we can get it done. Do you see the K that's inside of here? Do you see the 3? This is your 3 that's inside of here. Everything was made perfect, and everything is perfect because it was made that way. This is the way 1 works. Here's 1, and here's 6. Now, this is what happens with 6, okay? If we take the 1 and put it on the right side of 6, okay? If we put the 1 on the right side of 6 over here, 6 becomes an 8. If we take the 1 and we put it on the left side of 6, 6 remains a 6. If we take the 1 and put it in the middle of 6, we end up with 86, or 98 upside down. But that's what happens. So in the first equation, 6 plus 1 equals to 7. In the second equation, 6 plus 1 equals to 8. In the third equation, 6 and 1 equals to 8 and 6, or 1 splits the center. 8, 1, 6, or 168 hours in the week, or the high spirit. 189, creating IGA, International Grocers Association, or A&H. The I automatically is the 9th letter, which is created by 414. The 4s are automatically 2, 4, and 6. 6 is the divider. 6 is a divider. It's a half world. Okay? This level over here is the divider. The actual reality here is 4. This is the half-life. Inside of 4, this is your club. The reason we're missing something on the club because you must stand up. Okay? But that's no hell or high water. Now, inside of this, it is the she world. In French, this is the she world, and these are the initials for the ashes to ashes and dust to dust, because this is the H letter for ash in French, and this is the angel. It's Elha. Now remember, dust to dust has to be also understood as Dutch. Okay? Dutch, you have to go to butterscotch, you have to understand the Dutch, and what is Dutch? Dutch is something that is due, which actually means two, and this is the creation heaven. It means two of the creation heaven, and the plus sign is the cross that divides the two sides. The T is what bridges the two sides. It is the 20th letter, 10 and 10. 4, 25, and 11 equals to creation at 36. This is the 20th letter, becomes 26. Add 26, equaling to 62. 62, 26, from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., and this is 622, 6. 22 is the number for life. 88 is Herbert Hoover Dam, and this is Hoover Dam, which runs Highway 93. Highway 93 is where Hoover Dam is. It is the cielo, it is the high sky, and something above there penetrates. I don't know how it works, but I know it works right there in that sky. It also runs what they call the Chier Earth. Okay, Chier means 1/3. Okay, it also means yesterday. At the same time, Chier is also Terre, to say Earth, or the IT world, the computerized world that we live in. It's not what I say, it's what the first come, first serve psychiatry, that's the way psychiatry works. If you want to work another way, we're going to take here. We're going to take number 7 and add 1 to it. We get 4. We're going to take, let's take number 5. We take number 5 and we add 1 to it, and look what happens. It becomes 9 and 6. So everything is only relevant to what you perceive to believe, but the actuality is no one really knows. We only can share the differences, okay, and have an open mind, okay? We must understand that a lot of things are visual, a lot of things are sound, a lot of things are up to you. But the greatest of all things is that we must care and share, and note that your word and my word are just as valuable to each other, as long as we have to do the major route is to get along with each other. How do we do that is the question. Too many judges. I want to show you right now. I painted that chair, and in the back of that chair, right, that is my favorite chair. This is where everybody comes in. Judge me not for who I am, and take me not in vain. But I am not the difference of all this at the game we play. And here is the judge's chair. I split the two in half because this is the electricity of the mind that thinks. And this is the pliable. This is your 31. This is your alternate current. And G and E is where it comes from, through the moon. So the question is, how are we thinking? Who are we? How are we thinking? Is it really us thinking at all? Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.